Hello, my name is Angelica Coda, and today we'll be discussing how to properly install, remove, and maintain your FTC-EX-102A and B fuselage total air temperature cover. Understanding how to safely use and maintain your FTC-EX-102A and B will ensure proper protection and will extend the life of your equipment. The FTC-EX-102A and B are lightweight, impact-resistant covers built to prevent FOD intrusion and protect the TAC sensor from accidental damage. It is lined with an inner high-temperature silicone cushion that allows the TAC cover to firmly grasp the TAC sensor and will not melt during an accidental heat cycle. The TAC cover is designed with a built-in moisture drainage valve to prevent moisture collection. Prior to installing the TAC cover, make sure to inspect the product. Inspect the interior of the TAC cover to make sure there are no foreign objects. Make sure the area around the TAC sensor is free of obstructions. Reference the directional arrow for proper orientation of the cover. Holding the top portion of the cover, slowly slide the TAC cover onto the sensor. Press the TAC cover onto the sensor until the base of the cover touches the aircraft. To remove the TAC cover, firmly grasp the cover and slowly pull away from the aircraft until the cover is removed from the sensor. Clean any dirt or debris off your Executive Series GSE products with warm water and mouth soap using a microfiber cloth. Store your Executive Series GSE products in the optional avionics bag or in a dry and safe location. Sesame Technologies Incorporated is a proven leader in the field of ground support equipment, and we thank you for making us a part of your maintenance program. Thank you for choosing Sesame Technologies Incorporated Executive Series GSE for your aircraft protection needs.